Kaway! Hello, friends. It's your favorite Algonquin native, Little Eagle here. How are ya? I hope each and every one of you Hunting for Greatness members are doing fabulous, and I wish you the best in everything, in every aspect of your life, trying to pass on some positive energy to you all friends. So keep life simple, keep it to the basics, and live life to the fullest each and every day that you wake up and get to enjoy the beautiful Mother Earth. So, greetings, fellow adventurers of the Hunting for Greatness community. I am thrilled to have you all here for an exciting journey today. I got a big announcement, so hold on, coming up soon in seconds near you. So we're diving into something truly extraordinary. My groundbreaking cookbook guide that's more than just recipe. It's a portal into the world of North American wildlife, packed with nutritional information, stats and facts about every popular North American animal, and delightful dishes to go with them. So hold on, drum roll please. Okay, dun, dun, dun. Now, this book was a lot of work. It took me 9 months to write this book, folks. 9 months. Look how thick this is. So it's your standard size, cookbook size. So it is 8.5 by 11 inches. And it's about 2 inches thick. It has over 200 recipes of all popular North American animals. So we have small game, we have all birds, we have bear, moose, deer, elk, wild boar, and I have a bonus chapter, chapter 8, and it's goodness fish, and it's all on fish. I even have a very heartfelt recipe in there. It's called my grandpa's fish batter, and it's been passed down, and it's a very delicious recipe, and I pretty much cook it all the time with fish, so it's awesome. So anyways, guys, I am pumped. This was a very long project, but I wanted to make sure that I held up to my name. So the name of the cookbook is what it is: The Ultimate Hunter's Wild Game Cookbook Guide. There is no other cookbook you will ever need for any wild game in North America. This is it. One book, that's all you need. And you know what's coming up soon, folks? We got hunting season just around the corner. If I'm not exact, I think deer hunting is 54 days, 13 hours, 46 minutes, 8 seconds. But I'm not counting. Who's counting? You counting? All I know is it's coming soon. And not even deer. If you're like me, Little Eagle, I hunt every day if I can. So I have moose coming up, deer coming up, bear coming up, turkey coming up. I don't even know what else is coming up, but yeah. Hunt to live, live to hunt, folks. I love life. But this is it, friends. The Ultimate Hunter's Wild Game Cookbook Guide. It is the first time ever a cookbook has been done like this. There is not another cookbook out there, and I prove to challenge anybody out there that can prove me wrong. And so I started this concept, and you actually have to read it just like a book from front to back, because it's just full of information with every recipe. And there's some recipes that the information actually continues on the next recipe, so you need to end up reading the whole book front to back. So guys, I did tailor to you. I made it simple. There is pictures in there too, so and women, I made it to your detail, and you guys are gonna like it too. It's all tailored for everybody, like anybody who cooks nutritional, healthy, wild game ways and recipes. This is for you. Go to Amazon, get it. It is amazing. And I've been hunting since I was 6 years old. My birthday was just in August. I am now 38, so I've been hunting for over 30 years, and I have poured all my hunting knowledge, things that have been passed from friends and family, recipes, all in this book, friends. And I am now sharing it with the world and you. So enjoy it. I hope you guys like it, and please share your reviews and tell me what you like about the book. Okay, so thank you, friends, for everything, for inspiring me and for spreading my native heritage and culture, for supporting me. I love you, Hunting for Greatness members, and anytime, reach out to me. You need anything, ask any questions, I'm always here. So, Pat Gatz, it's always here for you. So, here's the scoop. My friends, from August 14th to 18th, 2023, next week, my cookbook guide will be free for you to grab. It's a gift to our incredible community, but I need your help to make this adventure even more remarkable. So, the power of reviews. Support the movement. Reviews on Amazon are like stepping stones to success. Your genuine thoughts can help others discover this treasure trove. After you have indulged in some recipes, I humbly ask you, friends, just to leave an honest review on Amazon. Your words, you don't even know, hold immense power in shaping the journey. And how you leave a review on Amazon? Go to the Amazon page of the book. So click on Amazon, put in Pat Gatz, and then you scroll down until you see this cover, which is paperback. Then you scroll down the page, and you'll see Write a Customer Review button. You click on that button, you share your thoughts about your book, your favorite recipes, and the impact it's had on you, because your review matters, friends. Now, I made a challenge. It's our collective goal. And did you hear that keyword, friends? I said our collective goal, because I put in all this work to make this masterpiece culinary work of art, and I need you, friends, to support me to keep making very informative and life-changing books. So, our collective goal, I am challenging you 100 reviews in 30 days. I am challenging you 100 reviews in 30 days. Let's conquer, my friends. My aspiration is to gather 100 genuine reviews in just 30 days. I know it's an ambitious journey, but together we can achieve it. Imagine the ripple effect of our combined efforts. Now, time is precious, but leaving a review takes merely 3 minutes. It's like contributing to a brushstroke to a masterpiece. Your review doesn't just support me, but it uplifts our tribe and spreads the spirit of adventure and learning together. But wait, there's more. Have you explored yet my YouTube channel, Pat Gatz, The Native Ways? Because by subscribing, you'll stay updated with my latest adventures and culinary explorations, and it's another way to fuel your hunger for knowledge and connection. So my YouTube channel, friends, Pat Gatz, The Native Ways, is an up-to-date videos of what's happening in my life. So I am starting to build my home on the water, and I will be videotaping and posting on my YouTube channel the life of Pat Gatz, Little Eagle, as he builds and goes through his journey living on the land and living off the grid. And so you guys get to witness my whole build and the life I am living here in northern Canada. So friends, it's gonna be a journey, and it's my pleasure to be sharing it with you. And I am pumped, and I can't wait to end up getting out there. It's gonna be soon. It's just, I'm just launching this book right now and getting this going, and then it's go time. I'm gonna start the build, and you guys get to see and witness it. So friends, support me. All you have to do is click the subscribe button on the YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me comments on what you think about my videos and my content, and so I can know, am I doing good? Do I need to, be more educational? Do you guys want to see certain stuff more than others? Like, I want to hear from you, friends. So share your thoughts, let me know, and I will try to keep up and respond to you guys, and always do what ends up making you guys happy. So friends, just I know time is precious, but leaving a review, it only takes 3 minutes, okay? So, and now, speaking of connection, let's dive into our thriving Hunting for Greatness community. This private group is your hub for learning, sharing, and growing as hunters or outdoor enthusiasts. We offer free book giveaways and valuable resources and a space to inspire each other. So Hunting for Greatness, there's a private group. It's the Hunting for Greatness community. You have to like my Hunting for Greatness page, and then you will be invited into my Hunting for Greatness community. And that is a Facebook private group, but it is amazing. There's 8,000 members. We have hunters from beginners to experts to all different cultures, you name it, in North America and Europe, all over the world. And they're full of knowledge, experiences, and have lived amazing journeys so far in their outdoor lives. And it is amazing, folks. If you have not joined Hunting for Greatness and on the Facebook platform, you need to join now, because it is full of knowledge. Any question you have about anything outdoors, hunting, nature, you will get an answer there. And I'm always present, I'm active, so you can always get a hold of me. If you ever have a question or a problem, shoot me a message. I will always answer. So friends, Hunting for Greatness community, check it out, Facebook. So my fellow adventurers, are you ready to embark on this journey together? To seize your free copy, leave a review, and support our shared vision. Let's create a wave of impact that echoes through the wild. Miigwech, thank you for being a part of this incredible tribe. Your dedication fuels my passion to keep creating, sharing, and exploring. Together, let's savor the flavors, embrace the journey, and leave our mark on the pages of history. So until our next adventure, remember that greatness lies within each of you, friends. Stay curious, stay wild, and stay connected. But always keep life simple. Live off the Mother Earth. We were here and she's to provide. So friends, that is the most nutritional and healthiest way of life, is Mother Earth, our creator. Eat, sleep, get up, and enjoy the beautiful gift of life. And until next time, friends, I wish you the best. Stay tuned, and let's go on this journey together and shoot for the stars. Pat Gatz, Little Eagle, out. See ya, friends.